99% of people think rice gets weevils because the rice is old and spoiled. The truth will be revealed today. Hello, I'm Tracy. If you've ever opened the rice container at home and were shocked to see a lot of rice weevils inside, what would you do? Throw it all away? No, keep watching, because in today's video, I'll show you 4 ways to store rice so it won't get weevils. Most importantly, I'll also tell you where rice weevils actually live. Seeing rice weevils does not mean your rice is old, spoiled, or unsafe. In fact, rice weevil eggs are often already attached to the grains during harvesting or storage. Under suitable conditions, those tiny eggs hatch and appear in your rice. That is why rice weevils can show up even in newly purchased rice. This is completely natural and happens in many households. What matters most is knowing how to handle it correctly. As long as you remove the live weevils, take steps to repel them and prevent them from coming back. And clean away their waste. The rice is still safe to eat. The first method to repel weevils and keep them from returning is using garlic. Garlic is a familiar cooking ingredient, and it has a strong, pungent smell that rice weevils absolutely cannot tolerate. This is the weapon I use to drive rice weevils away quickly. To begin, take 1 whole bulb of garlic and peel off the outer skin. After peeling, separate the cloves and use the side of a knife to lightly crush each clove. You don't need to smash them completely. A gentle press is enough to release the aroma of the garlic. Next, place the crushed garlic cloves directly into the rice container. As soon as you add the garlic, its smell will begin to spread immediately. You will soon notice the rice weevils reacting. They will quickly crawl up to the surface of the rice, trying to escape the strong odor. Some may even climb up the sides of the container or gather on the surface as they try to get away. Garlic is especially effective when there are many rice weevils. The stronger the garlic smell, the faster they react. This method uses no chemicals, does not affect the quality of the rice, and is completely safe. One special benefit is that burying garlic in the rice not only drives away the weevils, but also helps prevent the garlic from sprouting, because the environment inside the rice container is dry and low in moisture. You can even place the whole bulb in the rice for storage. Finally, once the rice weevils crawl out, your rice will be clean and only needs to be rinsed before cooking. This garlic method is simple, highly effective, drives away weevils, and even helps preserve garlic at the same time. Isn't that great? The second method is using cold storage to completely eliminate rice weevils. After removing any visible weevils, place the rice into a tightly sealed plastic bag or a zip-top freezer bag. Make sure the bag is sealed properly so that no moisture can get inside. Once the bag of rice is sealed, place it in the refrigerator or, even better, in the freezer. Rice is not affected by cold temperatures, so freezing will not reduce its quality. Leave the rice in the freezer for at least 24 hours. During this time, the low temperature will kill both adult rice weevils and their eggs, preventing them from developing further. After freezing, you can take the rice out and store it normally in a dry place, or continue storing it in the freezer if you have space. When rinsing the rice before cooking, you will notice that any remaining dead weevils will float to the surface, making them much easier to remove. This method is also excellent for long-term storage. When stored properly in sealed bags, rice can stay fresh for 1 to 2 years without being damaged by insects. You can also apply this method to beans, grains, and other dry foods. It is also very safe. Method 3. Making a protective sachet with tea and pepper. To make this natural anti-weevil sachet, first prepare a clean disposable medical face mask. The mask is made of non-woven fabric, which allows air and scents to pass through easily. Carefully cut off one end of the mask to create a small pouch with separate compartments. Next, place dried tea leaves into one section of the mask. Dried tea leaves are very good at absorbing moisture from the air. They help keep the rice dry, reduce humidity inside the container, and remove unpleasant odors. This is especially helpful during humid or rainy seasons, when rice is more likely to become moldy or attract insects. In another compartment, add whole black peppercorns. Pepper has a strong, pungent smell that rice weevils are afraid of. While this scent is mild and pleasant to people, it acts as a powerful natural insect repellent for rice weevils and other small pests. After adding the tea leaves and peppercorns, fold the mask neatly and tie it tightly, using the ear loops or string. Make sure it is securely closed so nothing can fall out. Once finished, you will have a small homemade anti-weevil sachet. If you store rice in large bags or containers, place one sachet at the bottom and another in the middle of the rice. Burying them inside works best. These sachets help repel weevils, absorb excess moisture, and prevent mold from developing over time. With this method, your rice can stay dry, fresh, and protected for many months or even years, even in humid weather. Method 4. Using sunlight to drive away and eliminate weevils. The final method is to use sunlight to repel and remove rice weevils. If you prefer a simple, natural approach, this method is very easy to do at home. After trying the previous methods, you can also use heat to force rice weevils to leave or eliminate them completely. Start by pouring the rice onto a large tray. Spread the rice out into a thin, even layer. This step is very important because rice weevils can easily hide if the rice is piled too thick. Place the tray outside under direct sunlight. As the rice and the tray heat up, the heat will make the weevils extremely uncomfortable. Many of them will crawl out to escape. And the high temperature can also kill both the rice weevils and their eggs. While drying the rice, gently stir or turn it from time to time. This helps the heat reach every grain of rice and prevents insects from hiding in cooler spots. After drying, the rice will be cleaner and safer to store. This is a traditional and highly effective method that you can absolutely apply at home. Here it is. Those are the 4 methods I've shared to help you get rid of and prevent weevils in rice. Which method do you like the most? Leave a comment below and let me know. I hope these tips will make storing rice at home easier and less stressful for you. If you found this video helpful, save it to watch later and share it with your family or friends. Don't forget to follow the channel for more useful home tips.